Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate market analysis with BuzzSumo, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to the BuzzSumo website. If you don't have an account, create one or log in to your existing account. Once logged in, look for the search bar at the top of the page. Enter the keyword or topic you want to analyze. Click on the search icon to generate a list of content related to your keyword. BuzzSumo will display the most shared content across various platforms. To refine your analysis, use the filters available on the left side of the page. You can filter by content type, date range, and language. Select the content type that fits your needs, such as articles, infographics, or videos. Next, review the results to identify popular topics and trends in your niche. Once you have identified key content, take note of the engagement metrics displayed. These metrics include total shares, links, and overall visibility. To automate future analyses, navigate to the Alerts section in your BuzzSumo dashboard. Click on Create Alert. Enter the same keyword or topic you want to monitor. Set your preferences for how often you want to receive updates. You can choose daily, weekly, or monthly alerts. Save your alert to receive notifications when new content is published. Now, go to the Reports section for a more in-depth analysis. Create a new report based on your selected criteria. This will allow you to track your keywords over time. Once your report is set, BuzzSumo will generate data automatically. You can export this data into different formats for further analysis if needed. Review your reports regularly to adapt your strategies according to market trends. With these steps, you can effectively automate market analysis using BuzzSumo. This will save you time and help you stay informed on industry developments. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.